Hi, everybody. I hope you're here to learn more about data stewardship and its dependencies on the data architecture types. In the short video, I'll discuss the challenges associated with defining the concept of data stewardship and corresponding data management roles. Unfortunately, within the data management community, we have pretty different opinions about the role and content of this concept. After watching this video, I hope you'll form your own opinion about data stewardship and how you can align this concept within your organization. This video is a part of a free webinar I conducted in October 2023. At the end of this video, you will find the link to the recording of the whole webinar. Simply share the definition of data governance I use in my practices, which I just now shared with you. Now I want to share again my viewpoint on data stewardship. Let's start with a standard linguistic definition of a steward. One of the definitions states that a steward is a person who manages data, property on behalf of somebody or an organization. I stress the word manage as one of the most important ones. Let's check what Demo, the data management body of knowledge, says about the data stewardship. It's interesting enough that Demo limits the accountabilities regarding data assets to their control and use. In the Dama language, so the way how it's translated, it goes about governance, not management. This is a definition of a data steward defined by Dama. And you again see that the activities are limited to data governance. It's worth reminding that in the context of Dema-Dembak, data governance focuses on setting up a data governance organization that includes a data governance operating model and organizational structure, policies, processes, and roles. So you can see that the scope of data steward role by DEMA is somewhat limited. So my question is, who are data stewards that manage data? In my practice, I use a slightly different approach to data stewardship and data steward. An organization owns assets, and data is one of the assets types. The organization delegates accountabilities and responsibilities to manage assets on its behalf. So in this case, data is assets, and data steward manages, not governs, it's manage data on behalf of the company. And professional background splits data stewards into three categories: business data stewards, represented by professionals from different business domains; data management stewards, that has knowledge, skills, and experience in one or data management domains like data modelers, data analysts, and data scientists; and technical data stewards that has knowledge and skills in one of the more information technology and or security domain. So this is my viewpoint on these roles, and this is the definition of data steward I use in my practice. So it's again very important point. Data steward is a business role that manages data on behalf of the organization, not only govern it. Thank you for watching this video. This is a link to the whole recording. You can find it at the Data Crossroads Academy site.